Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve algebra worksheet of linear equation in two variables. So students, please do fill all the details, write your name, class, division, roll number and write the date, today's date. Okay. Now first question, choose the correct alternative answer for the questions given below. Now first one question is, if 3x plus 5y equal to 9 and 5x plus 3y equal to 7, then what is the value for x plus y? Now I have to find, students, x plus y. Now if you take both the equation, if you add, then you will get 8x plus 8y equal to 16. But we need x plus y. So if you divide it by 8, all the terms of the equations, then it will become x plus y equal to 16 divided by 8, you will get 2. So you will get x plus y equal to 2. So students, you have to circle option A. Now moving to the next one. When 5 is subtracted from length and breadth of the rectangle, the perimeter becomes 26. What is the mathematical form of the statement? Now you have to frame the mathematical form. Now if you take length as x and breadth as y variable, and when 5 is subtracted, means x minus 5 becomes length and breadth becomes y minus 5. Then the perimeter becomes 26. So if you put the perimeter formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into x minus 5 plus y minus 5 equal to 26. If you solve this, student, you will get the answer as x plus y equal to 23. Means your option C. Now moving to the next. If 2x plus 2y equal to 10, then x plus y equal to dash. Now you need to find x plus y from the equation 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now student, if you divide this equation by 2, you will automatically get x plus y equal to 5. So circle your option A. Moving to the next one. Fourth one, the ratio of two number is 3:8. Using x and y as two numbers, write the mathematical equation. Means you have to use x and y as variable and form the mathematical equation. If you take one number as x and the other as y, so x upon y becomes 3 upon 8. If you cross multiply, it will become 8x equal to 3y. So if you bring 3y to the left hand side, you will get 8x minus 3y equal to 0. So you circle option A is your answer. Now moving to the next one. Write three solution of the equation x plus y equal to 7. You have to write three solution for it. So students, it is an open-ended questions. So you can take any variable for x, substitute and find the value for y. So I have done three solution, that is x plus y equal to 7. So when I take x equal to 1, so the value I'll substitute, that is 1 plus y equal to 7. So value of y equal to 7 minus 1 equal to 6. So the value solution is, first solution I got is 1 comma 6. So when I put x is 1, so my y value is 6. Next one, when x equal to 2, so 2 plus y equal to 7. I've just substituted the value. So y equal to 7 minus 2, that is value of y equal to 5. So my second solution I got is 2 comma 5. Third one, when x equal to 3, so we'll substitute 3 plus y equal to 7, y equal to 7 minus 3, so you'll get 4. Therefore, third solution is 3 comma 4. So any variable you can take for x and substitute and get the value for the variable y. Okay, moving to the next one. Solve the following set of simultaneous equation. Okay, the first one, 2x plus y equal to 5. And second equation given is 3x minus y equal to 5. So this is your exercise sum only, student. So we'll first give equation number, that is 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x minus y equal to 5. Now both this equation have variable y with same coefficient. So we'll directly do adding, as both the variables, that is y variable has opposite sign. So your operation will use is adding the equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, you'll write down both the equation again. So students, when you'll add, so there will be no sign change, and student, you can cancel plus y and minus y will get cancelled. So student, what you get? 5x equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to 10 upon 5. So the value of x equal to 2. It will simplify. Further, you can simplify here and write also. That is 5 ones are and 2s are. So value of x equal to 2. So we'll substitute this. Substituting x equal to 2 in equation 1. So you'll write down your equation 1 first. 2x plus y equal to 5. So 2 into, in place of x, you'll write 2. That is 2 into 2 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, 4 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, value of y equal to 5 minus 4. That is 1. So you got the solution as 2, 1 is the solution of given equation. Moving to the next one. What is given? X plus y equal to 4. And second equation, 2x minus 5y equal to 1. Now first let's assign the equation number to both the equation. So I have given x plus y equal to 4 as equation 1 and 2x minus 5y equal to 1 equation number 2. Now student, as you know, both equation coefficient and none of the variables coefficient is same. So I have done multiplying equation 1 by 5. So when equation 1 will become multiplied by 5, it will be 5 into x plus y equal to 5 into 4. So we'll multiply both the variables by 5. It will become 5x plus 5y equal to 5 4s are 20. We'll give a new equation number, that is 3. Now student, second and third equation, you can see the variable y have same coefficient, that is 5, and both are with opposite signs. So here student will operation will use this adding equation 2 and 3. So adding equation 3 and 2, it will become 5x plus 5y equal to 20. 2x minus 5y equal to 1. So when you add, there will be no sign change. Student, here directly you can cancel, that is plus 5y minus 5y will cancel. So you'll get 7x, that is 5x plus 2x equal to 7x equal to 20 plus 1, 21. X equal to 21 upon 7. You can further simplify. So 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21. So the value of x equal to 3. Substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1. So x plus y equal to 4 is your equation 1. So we'll substitute in this equation 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore y equal to 4 minus 3. So the value of y equal to 1. So solution you got is 3, 1 is the solution of given equation. Okay, moving to the next sum of the worksheet. Find the two numbers if the sum is 42 and the difference is 16. You have to find the two numbers. Your condition is that if you add, the sum of the two numbers is 42 and the difference is 16. So first let's assign the variables to both the numbers. So solution, let one number be x, the other number be y. So from the first condition, x plus y equal to 42. From the second condition, x minus y equal to 16, because second it is given their difference is 16. So x minus y equal to 16. Now student, you can see both the equation, the variable y has same coefficient and is with opposite sign. So we'll add both this equation. So we'll eliminate one of the variable, that is y. So adding equation 1 and 2, you'll write down both the equations. X plus y equal to 42, x minus y equal to 16. So when you add students, plus y and minus y will cancel. You'll get x plus x, that is 2x equal to 42 plus 16, you'll get 58. So now the value of x equal to 58 upon 2. Further you can simplify. So you'll get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1 remaining. So 18. So 9s are 18. 2 nines are 18. So you'll get value of x equal to 29. Now we'll substitute this value of x equal to 29 in any of the equations. So I'll substitute x equal to 29 equation 1. My equation 1 is x plus y equal to 42. Therefore 29 plus y equal to 42. I've just substituted the variable value. Therefore y equal to 42 minus 29. So student, you'll get y equal to 13. So you got the two numbers, one is 29 and the other is 13. So the two numbers are 29 and 13. You can check, if you add, you'll get the answer as 42. Okay, students. Moving to the fifth one. Now, students, in your worksheet, the question is total cost of 6 books and 7 pen is 79 rupees and the total cost of 7 books and 5 pen is 77 rupees. Find the cost of 1 book and 2 pens. Do a correction over here in the question. Do the correction over here. The total cost of 6 books is given. Make it, student, here as 5. Just change this value, make it as 5. This type of sum, student, will come across in 10th standard also. So do pay attention. So please make a correction. In place of 6, make it as 5. So the total cost of 5 books and 7 pen is 79 rupees and the total cost of 7 books and 5 pen is 77 rupees. You have to find cost of 1 book and 2 pens. Now, student, let's give variable. Let the cost of a book be rupees x and the cost of pen be rupees y. So from first condition, what will get, student? 5x plus 7y equal to 79. Okay. Now equation second will become what, student? From second condition, that is 7x, that is 7 books and 5 pens. So 7x plus 5y equal to 77. Now, student, if you see both the equation, first equation is 5x plus 7y equal to 79 and second equation is 7x plus 5y equal to 77. If you see, only the coefficient are interchanged. Here 5x, so in second equation it is 5y. Here 7y is there, here 7x is there in second equation. When such type of equations are framed, so you'll solve in this method. First you have to apply both the equation for adding and then both the equation for subtracting. Then we'll solve further. So adding equation 1 and 2. So you'll write down both the equation, that is 5x plus 7y equal to 79. 7x plus 5y equal to 77. So when you add, student, you will get 12x plus 12y equal to 79 plus 77, you will get 156. Now this whole terms, all the terms of the equation can be divided by 12 to make it simple form. So we'll divide the equation by 12. You will get x plus y equal to 13. So give us equation number 3, new one. I said that if you frame two equation where numbers are just coefficient are interchanged, you'll follow this method. So now we have done adding done. We got new equation x plus y equal to 13. We'll now do subtracting both the equation. Next will be subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So student, so you'll write down 7x plus 5y equal to 77. 5x plus 7y equal to 79. When you are doing subtracting, sign changes. So minus, now you'll get 7x minus 5x, it will become 2x. 5y minus 7y will become minus 2y. And 77 minus 79 will get minus 2. Now you can divide this, all the terms of this equation also by 2. So student will apply dividing the equation by 2. So it will become x minus y equal to minus 1. Now this is equation number 4. Now student, we will be solving our equation 3 and 4 new equations. So now you can see our equation third is x plus y equal to 13. And equation 4, if you see, x minus y equal to minus 1. So both, if you solve, you will use operation adding. So adding equation 3 and 4, you'll write down x plus y equal to 13 first, x minus y equal to minus 1. So student, when you add, so this value variable will change, cancel, sorry, that is plus y minus y will cancel. So what you get, student? X plus x 2x equal to 13 minus 1 equal to 12. So value of x equal to 12 upon 2. So you can further simplify, that is 2 ones are and 2 6 are 12. So you got value of x equal to 6. So substituting x equal to 6 in equation 1. So x plus y equal to 13 is your equation 1. So substitute in this. 6 plus y equal to 13. So the value of y equal to 13 minus 6. Therefore, y equal to 7. So you got the value of x is 6 and y equal to 7. Means you got the value of the book and pen. Now you need to find cost of one book and two pens. So cost of one book is 6 plus cost of two pen will become 7 is the cost of this one pen. So 2 pens, so 7 into 2. So you'll write down 6 plus 7 2s are 14. So total cost will be rupees 20. Got, students? Now moving to the sixth one. This one, Sanjay gets fixed monthly income. Every year there is a certain increment in his salary. After 4 years his monthly salary was 4,500 and after 10 years his monthly salary became 5,400 rupees. Then find his original salary and yearly increment. Student, this sum is same as textual sum which I have explained in previous lecture. So you'll do this sum by yourself. It is a homework. So I hope you have understood all the sums of this chapter. Okay, students, thank you very much.